Hello dears, let's look at today's trade in Nifty and Banknifty. This is the higher time frame structure we got in the morning for the Nifty and Banknifty. There was a rally happened at end of the day yesterday, so I expected this to continue at least to this range. So was expected the price to move above. After this open, so what happened? The price was not accepted above and it was reversed. See, for me, till this takes out and the price accepted below, and I don't consider this as a downtrend. I still consider as a uptrend. So what I expected at this region, like a 10.15, this is a 10.15. So look at this whole area. I was read this as a weakness in the sellers. So I expected a price to move above this level. At least first target is this point and the next one is here. But what happened? It was rejected. And the price actually pushed up, and for the couple of times it was rejected. Where, let me show you. Just a minute. So this was a fall and this happened, right? So I consider this as a one of the zone. So I expected a price to move above and takes out all the SL and move above. But what happened? So a couple of times the price was rejected. So my view went invalidated, and this is what I posted at 1:30, but this was already invalidated around 12:30 or 12 o'clock, right? So after that, what happened? So it was, I don't see any of the favorite setup, or I don't see any of the good smooth price movement happen today, right? Till this level. So at 2:30, look at this. So there was a zone at 35,000, sorry, 34,897, which is 34,900. So we have a zone at this area. So I expected this to go up. See, I'm not looking for, I'm not trading against the trend. So this is actually, uh, I'm trading or following the trend in the short term, but this momentum was not at all good. So it doesn't help me to keep the trade for a long time, because every time after my entry or after my exportation, the momentum fails immediately. So look at this one. So I was expected, so this is what I expect. After this thing, I expected this to takes out this zone, and this, at least it will go here, 35, 200 or 300 zone. But my view was invalidated at this point because it reversed at 35,060. So this shows there was a weakness in the buyers too. So I didn't take any entry afterwards. But look at this. So this was one of our other zone we have it. So 35,750. Sorry, 34,750. So when the price approached here, it was an immediate reversal of around 450 points. This one I was expected. So was not in a short uh, trade of seeing the price was more coming down from the day high. So this takes 450 points in within 5 minutes. So at least I didn't take a trade. So that is what I mentioned here. So this looks like actually BOF. So this is a 5 minute chart, 5 minute time frame, same chart. So this looks like a BOF, but this is an untradeable trade. So it happened in one single candle. So this was a very high probable zone. I'll show you why. And I didn't take a trade because it is untradeable. But at the same time, I was expected reversal, and I didn't went a long short at these point, because I know there was an immediate high probable support is there. So at least I was not taken any wrong trades or any wrong direction looking at this area. So these things, the trader who went short from 1 o'clock, So all are trapped at one single candle. So at least I was escaped from this thing. So that is what I mentioned here. So the profit is nothing but your right direction, the number of right direction which you take in the day minus the number of wrong decision which you take. So you can minus the thing, and that is actually a profit. So this is my simple formula to expect a profit or loss in the same single day. So it is all about how many decisions which we are taking, and out of which how many went right, how many went wrong. So in my approach, I'll try to take a maximum number of right decisions in a day, at least to stand aside or try to take few trades. And this is what I explain here. And if you want to understand more about these things in the live market, you can consider joining this Simple Trader Telegram channel, which is free, so that you can I will host a live stream during a market hours, so that you can understand more thing in a clear way. Thank you. See you in the next video.